VaporIO's Kinetic Grid platform lowers the cost and complexity of implementing next-generation applications by offering low-latency infrastructure that provides edge-to-edge networking, interconnection, co-location, and intelligence. The Kinetic Grid's Real-Time Intelligence System, SINS, provides critical telemetry to VMware's Adaptive Policy Engine, which consumes and analyzes the data to self-adapting optimizations for workload placement and high availability. We will demonstrate how VMware Telco Cloud Platform churns infrastructure telemetry into end-to-end AI ops for the data center using the VaporIO Kinetic Grid. The Kinetic Grid platform shows both sites as operational. Workload migration requires setting up a cluster. Adding 2 nodes corresponding to Dallas and Atlanta. And then deploying application. We can see that the application is already deployed on the sites. Now, imagine that one of the sites, Dallas, encounters a problem. Using telemetry data from the Dallas site, the Kinetic Grid shows the temperature rising. VMware's Adaptive Engine detects a rise in temperature by communicating with the SINS API at the Dallas site. Due to the rise in temperature at the Dallas site, TCOps receives an alarm notification. The Adaptive Engine immediately sends a notification to TCA to trigger the workload migration. Finally, TCA relocates the Kubernetes pods from Dallas to Atlanta. Kinetic Grid shows that the workload was migrated successfully from Dallas to Atlanta. In our demonstration, we detailed a method to connect 2 distinct markets, Dallas and Atlanta. By using performance-sensitive fabrics, logically eliminating distance. VMware Multi-Cloud Services Grid offers several benefits to its users, such as data center without borders, hyper-compose grid services on demand, reduced downtime as we continue to orchestrate, increased efficiency with lower operating costs, redundant and resilient, predictive management, quick service, accelerate service time with higher performance and lower latency. Take the first step towards bringing the data center closer to you. It's time to build a virtual data center on your own with VMware Multi-Cloud Services Grid.